Hello and welcome to our sneak preview of the Medina Valley Centre's interactive map. This is currently in development, although we'll be able to use this opportunity just to give you an insight into how useful this resource will be to schools which visit the Medina Valley Centre, but also to holiday makers and general tourists and persons who will be interested in the Isle of Wight and what it has to offer. The map is set around a premise of offering helpful information on points of interest around the island. These points of interest are categorized into different groups in order to really drill down to what's going to be of most interest to the different person. You'll see we've got geography, biology, primary, and holiday maker. We've had a custom map made especially for you to really bring out the best details of the Isle of Wight, but we're also going to have available a lot of the standard maps that you'd expect in other mapping applications. We have the OpenStreetMap. This is a fantastic road map that you'll be able to use, which will enable you to plan out that journey when you decide to go out onto the road and visit one of these points which you found on our map. We'll also have typically Ordnance Survey map, a aerial map, and we're actually going to be working on some bespoke maps made specifically for the island. This is such as a geological map and also a relief overview map. And you'll also notice that by default we're selecting this customized map which has been made to really bring out the best features of the island. Now the map has been made so that it gives you an overview of the island, but also so that you can really drill into some specific areas into a lot more detail. So for example, I'm just going to take you into Ryde, and once we go past a certain level of zoom, we actually enter into a very detailed map of Ryde. Now each of our maps have been custom made so that they'll be appropriate to the situation. So for example, we will have a geography map which will actually have details which is relevant to the students that are visiting the centre. We also provide some advanced mapping tools onto the map so that you're able to utilise this in your field studies work. For example, I can go down to a measuring tool here and actually start doing accurate measurements of different points in Ryde. We have, as expected, a detailed key which will provide you a good overview of what all of the different points of interest are on the map and how they're actually marked up in relation to them. And if I actually begin to zoom out here, one of the biggest points really of this map is providing the points of interest and resources associated with that. So if I go down to Bembridge here, we'll see that if we click on it, you'll actually be able to bring up a comprehensive view of what's available for you at Bembridge. This includes a latitude and longitude grid reference of the point, an Ordnance Survey reference, a description of that area, a list of resources such as photography and videos, and also downloadable PDFs and PowerPoints. For some particularly more advanced resources, you'll actually be able to go back to our website and in some cases use your login to actually access more exclusive content which is only available to people that have attended the centre before. Well, I hope this has just given you a very brief overview of the map and really where it's going at the moment and what our plans are for it. We're currently working on this map and looking forward to it taking shape over the next couple of months with the intention to launch this in the new year.